ಕೇರಳದ ವಯನಾಡು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭವಿಸಿರುವ ಭೂಕುಸಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನೆರವುಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಹರಿದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳೇ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಈ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಲವಾರು ರೀತಿಯ ಚಾರಿಟಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಮ್ಮನ್ನೂರು ಜುವೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಲೀಕರು, ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು, ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳು, ಹಲವಾರು ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರುವ ಚಮ್ಮನ್ನೂರು ಜುವೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಲೀಕರಾದ ಬೋಬಿ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ವಯನಾಡು?
Wayanad, it's really so sad about. This is such a big disaster happened. Around missing 500 people, and more than 200 people died, and almost I think it will be the same. And now all homeless people all in the camp, different schools and camp. Well, I'm Bobby Chamanur. My fans call me Boche. So Boche Fans Charitable Trust. We have many people, 70 lakh followers I have. And we are such a big group working here. And I have a Boche 1,000-acre big land is here in Wayanad. I'm thinking, give free land for 100 families. That is my idea. And me Boche fans, that is already decided to give. And now next, what we are thinking, Boche fans, to construct 100 houses. That decision not taken is still going on, the discussion. That is our plan regarding, because enough food, clothes, everything getting here is enough. All people supporting association, many all supporting. We also our 5 ambulance and Boche fans, food, everything give. But that is enough now. They are asking where we go after this. We lost our whole sweat money, 5-10 cents land and house. Their requirement, but nobody is given that. So that's why I'm thinking to give land and try to construct houses for them. That's the situation here.
You are planning for giving the
land for 100 families. Construction to do or not, that we are still discussing. Okay. I have 70 lakh fans, followers. Okay. Within that, I have to discuss and we'll take a decision. Most probably may happen easily, because last time, one Abdul Rahim in Saudi jail, 18 years he was there. He was innocent. And Saudi, they supposed to kill him, cut his neck. So what I did, the blood money, 34 crores the family asked to save him. So I given 1 crore and I came to the road as a beggar. And within 5 days, I got 33 crores money. That is Keralites did it, especially Boche fans and other association, many all together they come. So I went to the road. So 5 days I could do it. So I believe if I and team come to for this can fulfill 100 or 200 house.
Specifically in
Kerala.
All the political parties are joining the hands. All the associations are
joining the hands. Kerala is when there is big issue, all come join beyond the politics, caste, religion. That's why I believe it can be done. That's my belief. We all are working big team, charitable trust and everybody doing this. That's my plan.
3,000 plus people are suffering from various scenarios.
Very more than that, they are suffering, and that is things going on about like that. And also, I don't know, maybe for this I make a social cause, maybe run or something. I used to do that, like the campaign to attract and did. And maybe last time I done 812 kilometer run on the road, border to border, and unique world record, Guinness record, world peace, many things. I'm into sports also. Yes. Sometimes sports, business, social worker, entertainment, all the things I'm doing. So this time I'm thinking, after giving land, maybe something like this run or something to do, and collect the money and construct these houses also. I'm thinking now. We'll take decision according to Boche fans, leaders. That's the plan.
Schooling is also a big challenge.
Yeah. Already we have Boche educational, this scholarship we are already doing. And few students we will be taking care here. And of course,
are you adopting the people, or
we have poor homes also we are running. We take care of people there in the homes, lifelong without any donation and all. That is there going on. So education part also we are taking some numbers and this home and food, whatever possible things our team doing now.
What was the request from your side?
My side, if it is more than 100 houses and this, government and ours and people join and take a decision to make a plan in case it is more. I don't know, still body is taking and still we don't know the real number of things. So beyond 100 houses and this land, then we have to approach government together to do what is. That's our idea.
Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, other states and
No, Kerala, anyone can join. No, this is anyone can join. That's my plan. Anyway, this
what
is
was the suggestion for the charity part?
charity part. Charity part, this land I am giving free. The house part, people all together, me and people or government together can done. That is my. So today I had discussion with a few ministers, and further I'll be having the discussion with the ministers and all government. Whatever possible thing, as soon as possible, we will be doing this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಚಮ್ಮನೂರು ಜುವೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಲೀಕರ ಮಾತಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೆರವು ನೀಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ಈಗೇನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವರ ಬದುಕನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಡುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸಗಳಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ನೆರವು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ವಯನಾಡು, ಕೇರಳ.
ಅನುಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ www.vistaranews.com ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಗೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.